Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this 28-ounce glass canning jar from Dollar Tree, as well as some of their vinyl and this tree cutout. I take a piece of the vinyl and I trace the tree out onto that. I'm not using the star part, so I'll just cut that tree to a point. I remove the backing from it and place that on the front of the jar, making sure that it is fully adhered. And I'm using Imperial Red acrylic paint by Folkart, and I give that full coverage. And then when it's still warm, there's a couple of bubbles from using the sponge, so I just use parchment paper and smooth those out. Once that's completely dry, I go around with an X-Acto knife and kind of trace along where that vinyl is. Just because if I'm using acrylic paint, it tends to try to pull the paint up along with the vinyl. I've never had that problem when I use chalk paint, but when I used acrylic paint here, it was starting to pull the paint with the vinyl along these sides of it. So if you do this project, I would recommend using chalk paint, but if not, the X-Acto knife along the edge works just fine. After I've removed that, I cover the entire thing with a coat of Mod Podge. That'll seal on the paint and give that opening, that little window, a little bit of a cloudy finish. I then take this red and white twine that I got from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm wrapping that around to just about completely cover the top rim of the jar. I then knot that a couple times and trim up the excess. I'm also using 4 of these red ornaments I got from Dollar Tree. I removed the little tops from them and set those aside. I then take some picks I got from Walmart and Dollar Tree, bunch them together, and then wrap some twine around the stems on those. When I get to the bottom, I add some hot glue to keep that in place at the bottom. Start wrapping it back up a little, and then add hot glue to close that off and cut off the excess twine. Next, I'm taking these very small dowels. They're about the size of the bamboo skewers, so those could be used as well. I'm just adding some hot glue, twisting that inside the opening of the ornament, and holding that down just until that glue sets. And then I'm taking LED lights that I got from Amazon. These are fairy lights. I wrap them around the handle partly, making sure the battery pack is on the top. I stick that in the pick. I cut the dowels down to size and just add those to the greenery. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.